Hey, I'm Jake Story. I'm doing my endocrine system review assessment. I'm going to video myself to teach the class and just to help me review. I have a July birthday, so I was supposed to do the major organs of the endocrine system. There's a lot of different organs in the endocrine system. Mostly it's consisted of glands throughout the entire body. I was going to go over the major ones. There's the hypothalamus, the pineal gland, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, thymus gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, ovary, and testes is the one I'm really going to hit on. And then there's also the parathyroid gland, heart, kidney, stomach, intestines. Yeah, the first one I'm going to go over is the hypothalamus. And it transmits messages from the body to the brain. It is somewhat it's in the brain, and it's kind of like the master organ, and it's very important. It's used as a link between the nervous and endocrine system and helps them work together to help the body maintain homeostasis. And then there's the thyroid gland, which is the butterfly-shaped gland, and it stores all hormones and controls metabolism, including body weight, rate of energy use, and heart rate. And it also controls the calcium and the calcium level in your blood. And then there's the adrenal gland, which is it's divided into two regions. The outer region is the adrenal cortex, and the inner region is the adrenal medulla. And that's the two parts it's composed of, and it sits at the top of each kidney. So you have two of these glands in your total body, and it produces steroid hormones and produces epinephrine, which is adrenaline. It also produces noradrenaline, and the hormones that the adrenal gland produces are produced directly into the bloodstream. The thymus gland, it's composed of two lobes. It produces hormones involved in the development of white blood cells, which helps fight infection. Of course, so that relates to the immune system right there, and it helps between the endocrine system and immune system and helps them work together to maintain homeostasis. That's the thymus. And then the pancreas gland, or the pancreas, is it's a glandular organ, and it serves as two glands. It secretes really important hormones such as insulin and glucagon, and to help control blood sugar levels, which is very important in maintaining homeostasis. And honestly, pancreas is definitely one of the more important ones. They're all important to help the body function properly, but that's definitely one of the more important ones. And then the testes and ovaries, pretty much kind of like the same organ, gland, whatever, and then it produces which one is in the female body. The ovaries is in the female body, and the testes is in the male body. And they produce sex hormones that are involved in reproduction. Pituitary gland, this is also like the hypothalamus, and it's a link between the nervous and endocrine system and helps them work together to maintain homeostasis. And it affects things like growth, sexual development, metabolism, and system of reproduction. And the last one is pineal gland. It's very small, tiny. It's in the brain, and it produces several hormones. One of them being melatonin, which regulates the sleep cycle. That's very important because sleep's definitely important in your body. That's pretty much it. That's the major organs that you're going to find in the endocrine system. All important. These hormones that they produce are also important to help the body. And very interesting because I didn't know a whole lot about this, but yeah, that's the major organs of the endocrine system.